Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody is trying to engrave on a rifle, but evidently they can't engrave on the whole thing in their laser at one time, so they need to do this pattern into a seamless pattern. If I understand, just butt those two up, bring in your pattern, and make sure it's covering everything. And then select the first pattern, and you can see I got it. Hold down the Shift key and select the second pattern and go to Intersect and then move that one down. I'm going to do that again and reset my nudge distance so I can just nudge it so it's 2 inches. So if you grab that box, hold down the Shift key and grab the pattern, go to the Intersect tool, and there's your pattern. Now this time just grab that side of the box, hold down your Shift key and grab that side and hit Intersect. Now you have a seamless pattern. There is a hairline space between there, but if you can do better than that in setting up your gun, you could actually set your nudge factor a little bit different and take up that hairline space and it's gone. But we're talking, you're going to engrave these on 2 different parts. Anyway, you just want a seamless pattern. That's, if I understand the question right, that's how I would do it. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.